IBM scissors. 8. Definitely household scissors, great for cutting burlap, paper, cardboard, light line, fabric, tape, photos. Perfect for sewing, tailoring, quilting, dressmaking, cutting patterns, alterations, handcraft. Exceptional scissors for multiple uses around the home, in the handcraft workshop, in the bathroom, on the dresser, in the study, in the laundry room, mailroom, craft room, at the office. Great for most regular household tasks. Suitable for teachers' middle high school classroom supplies. 3 pairs of quality straight-handled scissors. They are strongly allow you to make precise cuts with great control as the blade have the perfect amount of friction. Very comfortable to use. 3 pairs of straight-handled scissors for smooth, efficient cutting scissors for general use. Competitive price. Durable stainless steel blades enables high-density steel that makes 3 times harder than normal stainless steel and are smoother cutting. 6x longer lasting than the previous formula and remain sharp for 100,000 plus cuts. Blades stay sharper longer. We chose bright colors, green, purple, orange. Different color rubber handles are used in different places. Soft grip holes let you maintain a comfortable, can be used left or right-handed. IBM 8-inch soft grip scissors. 3 special scissors are suitable for most items that need to be cut. It can also be used as a household scissors for cutting open frozen food bags ready for cooking. Convenient, sturdy, especially sharp scissors for general use, very durable. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.